Hello everybody, it is Thursday, December 10th, and this is your daily video. Of course, you're going to be opening this week's folders. Today is Thursday, December 10th, so you'll open that one. Here's your to-do list. First thing is read 10, and I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and do that. And on Fridays, I look for how much you're reading first and whether or not you're understanding what you're reading. And there are still some people that are only reading 12, 19 pages. And that's a problem because if you're reading 10 minutes every day for 5 days at least, hopefully more, that is 50 minutes. And the average person can read about a minute or about 1 page per minute. I'm a slow reader, and so if it's not 50 pages, that's okay. But if you're not reading, 40, 35 or 40, that tells me that you're not setting a reading routine or you're not getting good books. So we want to address those problems first. Second, I want you to participate in the discussion about can we autocorrect humanity. I hope you enjoyed that video and that spoken poem. I'm going to strongly encourage you to attend the Google Meets so you can hear the discussion. You can do this on your own, but I'm going to tell you, when you are watching something like this spoken word poem, you are going to focus on different parts than other people. And there's a lot of value in hearing what other people have to say and other people's connections and other people's understandings, because it just broadens your mind and it broadens your own understanding just to have that discussion. I promise it will be low key. Just attend. I do breakout groups, and just hopefully you've read it and you'll know what other people are talking about and be able to participate. So I really would like you to come if you are able. And then lastly, you are going to record your thoughts on a discussion board, because I can't be in everybody's breakout group at the same time. I kind of like to get a picture of what people are thinking, partly because I like to see what you focused on, and partly because that tells me as your teacher, what are you already noticing and where can I push you to understand things at a deeper level. So when you open up this discussion board, you're going to see, after watching and reading Can We Autocorrect Humanity a few times, respond to the discussion board, read and reply to other students' thoughts. I linked that same document here that you did for your assignment yesterday. It's got all of the text, and then on top there's a link. So if you need to refresh your memory, which is totally fine. A lot of people have to do that because a lot of people did it on Tuesday. First question is, which part of the poem text spoke to you the most? So what I mean is like the ideas that you can see and read on the text, okay? The other question is, name a detail in the video you thought was really effective in supporting what the author or performer was saying. So there's the text of the words that he's saying and the meaning that you get from the words. But when you watch the video, there's background, there are words scrolling across the screen, there are scenes that he chooses to show, emphasizing different ideas. I can think of one where there's the video, they're looking at their phones and there's dogs sitting there. Just really pay attention to that. Now, you might not have paid attention to that the first time around, so that's why the link is there, again, if you want to do that. But I'm curious which parts of that video, because that is all part of the communication. When we say language arts, language is an art. And so there's a lot of fun things, creative things that you can do, and you're going to see artists and authors do all kinds of things, and that's what we're going to be focusing on in the near future. So good luck. I'm curious to see what you guys write. Have a fantastic day, you guys.